Here's a festive meal: a delicious roast leg of goat, roast potatoes and gravy for under 780 shillings. In a large pot of water, add the meat, carrot, onions, celery, tomato, salt, tropical heat freshly cracked black pepper, tropical heat bay leaves, dried oregano, and dried thyme. Boil for 45 minutes to make a nice stock and to tenderize the meat. Now take out the meat on a baking tray and sieve the stock over the meat. Now sprinkle tropical heat rosemary over it and then cover with some aluminium foil. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes covered and 30 minutes uncovered. In another tray, add chopped potatoes, oil, salt, tropical heat black pepper, and dried rosemary. Mix it all up and then bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Take the meat out of the baking tray and let it rest. Then add the juices to a pan followed by all-purpose flour. Whisk until thick and then add a little water at a time to make a nice gravy. Pour the gravy over the meat and serve. This super delicious meal costed a unit cost of 774 shillings, which makes this festive dish enough for you and your partner come to under 780 shillings.